Hello, welcome to our Management Information Systems project presentation on Tipsy Elves. In this presentation, we will analyze Tipsy Elves' business model, followed by the evaluation of the importance of IT using the ER diagram access database and SQL query. To conclude, we will suggest possible improvements that Tipsy Elves could implement. Our group number is Group 51. We are Alberto Couto Alves, Shivam Jindal, Suraj Vagazia, and Mohamed Wasse. To demonstrate the business model, we decided to create a business canvas to have a clearer understanding of the company. But first, let's dive into an overview of the origins of Tipsy Elves. Tipsy Elves is an American company that was founded in 2011 by Evan Mendelsohn and Nick Morton. It currently works in the clothing fashion industry. A curious fact about Tipsy Elves is that it aired in Shark Tank and got an investment of IT giant Robert Herjavec, who is currently a shareholder. The key partners of Tipsy Elves are Amazon and Herjavec IT. Their key activities are the sale of funny holiday sweaters and the sale of holiday merchandise. Their key resources are designers, marketing, and production materials. Their value propositions: original and funny holiday clothing and merchandise, and online US sales. Their customer relationship comes through their Facebook page and a fast response customer service. Their distribution channels are from the company website and Amazon. Customer segments: young customer base from 21 years to 30 years, male and female. Their costs: they have IT running costs, marketing costs, production costs, and research and development for new products. Their revenue streams come from the sale of sweaters and merchandise. Value of IT. Why is IT important for Tipsy Elves? First, let's analyze Porter's 5 forces. Like any other competitor, Tipsy Elves has the threat of entry, the threat of bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitutes, and the threat of bargaining power of suppliers. IT is very important for their sales. Their sales depend on the online websites of Tipsy Elves and Amazon, as the products are directly sold to customers. Marketing. Using the company website and Facebook, Tipsy Elves markets their product to their target customer, cutting down on marketing costs of TV advertisement and other methods. Customer service. Tipsy Elves uses its website to provide a good and fast customer service to further enhance the experience. Logistics. Tipsy Elves uses its website and Amazon to organize its logistics and deliveries. The entity relationship model is basically a graphical representation that depicts relationships amongst entities. It makes business processes easier by creating a solid foundation for database. The entities can be a lot of things, be it people, objects, places, concepts, or events. It provides the organization with strong visual points, which help in creating a database. It serves as a referral point and is useful in representation of structured and unstructured data. The form ER diagram that is used in our report is a logical data model. Entities are basically objects which can have data stored about them. Entities have attributes which can be stated as characteristics or properties. The relationship between entities can be mandatory or optional, as shown. The entities can have a one-to-one relationship, a one-to-many relationship or a many-to-many relationship. In our ER diagram, we have five entities: customer, order, item, product, storage facility, invoice, and payment. We have several properties. For example, in customers we have customer ID, username, password, email, address, billing address, postcode, customer SINs, and contact. The entity customer, for example, has a one-to-many relationship with order. The Access database. Access helps us format data in a sequenced and interlinked manner where we have the opportunity to create tables and run queries regarding different aspects of the operational capabilities of a company and how we have created customer ID, order, invoice, storage facility, and product tables to retrieve data about any specific order, to track down the payment of a given order, logistic capabilities, and product availability. Performing a query in Access. Operating an e-commerce business is a very huge task, and moreover, having a website and connecting the database of customers with the e-commerce platform can be a huge task on its own. Therefore, we use SQL, in these cases to make our lives easier. SQL is used for communication between the website and the database system, such as Microsoft Access. SQL comes under server-side scripting, which means the customer, using the website, their information will get stored in the database automatically in real time, without hindering their online e-commerce experience. Below is a screenshot of one basic query performed from our database, which shows the results in the separate web page. Finally, we have some suggestions that Tipsy Elves could implement both in their business and IT. First, make the website with .NET or PHP coding, as this type of coding will make the website look better and more dynamic. Moreover, a better SQL server could be used in order to keep the site more stable in times of extreme internet traffic. Furthermore, the website should use more cookies so they can gather consumer data and target its consumer more precisely on the internet for its advertising campaign. Also, if we look at server-side scripting, it would be advised that the company uses HTTPS rather than HTML to further keep data protected. Finally, we suggest the Tipsy Elves should start to create delivery channels to Europe in order to expand into their delivery market. Thank you very much for your attention.